With this lightweight 2018 Arctic Wolf 285 DRL4 fifth wheel from Lakeshore RV Center, there's no need for a heavy-duty truck to go on vacation. This 31-foot, 2-inch long Arctic Wolf fifth wheel is designed to be towed by a light-duty truck. The front cap has built-in LED lights and a Reese Revolution short pickup bed capable pin box. The tire pressure monitoring system alerts you to tire issues before they become a bigger problem. The slide-out rooms have a height of 6 foot 4 inches and oversized panoramic windows. When you step inside, you'll see a lovely dining area with entertainment center next to it. The kitchen features high-end amenities like a stainless steel appliance package and seamless countertops. The rear living area has power theater seats with massage and a sleeper sofa. There's residential LED lighting throughout, and the kitchen has lovely cabinets with glass inlay doors. The master bath has a large shower with nice glass doors and a skylight overhead. In the master bedroom, you'll find a power lift bed with reading lights overhead, a slide-out wardrobe, and doors for privacy. Shop online at lakeshore-rv.com. With virtual tours, videos, and photo galleries, you're sure to find your perfect RV at the lowest price, guaranteed. Want a more personal touch? Call us at 231-760-8805, where our friendly and knowledgeable staff will help you get an amazing deal on the RV of your dreams.